Did you know how we at Optima support our customers in achieving their sustainability goals? As your partner, we know how important it is to reduce the carbon footprint of our machines and turnkey solutions. One key approach is our product carbon footprint, which allows us to measure all greenhouse gas emissions generated by our machines throughout their entire life cycle, from production and transportation to customer use and end of life. How does this support our customers? By identifying emission hotspots, we can implement targeted reduction measures during design phase and across service life, achieving measurable improvements for both the environment and our customers. Our methodology is externally verified and in accordance with ISO 40067, ensuring reliable and trustworthy results, and we're continuously improving our data quality. You're interested to learn more about Optima's sustainability initiatives? Please contact me or my colleagues and check out our latest sustainability report.